I've been doing art all my life, a whole bunch of different stuff. I live in Sydney. I was born in Manchester originally. I moved over here when I was about 11, and I've always drawn, and that's moved me into illustration, animation, sculpture, all kinds of stuff. I was born under the year of the ox in Chinese New Year, so I thought that applied to me, and it was like a name I was born with, so I'm gonna stick with that. And it's also like a hug and a kiss. This is now my second wall piece that I'm done. It's called Modern Trappings, and it's more about I don't know, all the vices and the sins that we indulge in every day to get by in life, and none of them are natural, but you know, they're what we use to get by in this crazy world. I don't know why, but like I always really shied away from being taught how to draw, being taught how to paint. I don't know, because I kind of feel like it's cheating, like, because if you don't figure it out on your own, then it's not really yours. During art school, like after art school, I was like, I'd never want to be an artist. I'm sick of artists. By the end of it, I was just like, no, I want nothing to do with this. Like, I'll be a filmmaker, or I'll be a commercial animator or whatever. And someone said to me like, oh, you should sell some of your drawings at the markets. So I was like, yeah, and then like that went really well. So I did that every week, and then it was like I was going out and having a little gallery every Sunday. And then it sort of, you know, came to me that like, yeah, whether I like the art scene or not, I love making art, so that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know, I think a lot of my work, and I think a lot of what artists do, is their work is like a mask that you wear to be able to say what you want to say that you couldn't normally just come out and say to the world. And so it's liberating a way, and so I guess the characters that I use are like a platform for me to say something. I usually try and pack like a lot of meaning in, but also leave it quite just like as an aesthetic thing that you can look at, so like you can read into it if you want, but you can also just go, ah, that's cool looking.